2x square minus 2 plus 3. So we get x square 1 by 2. X as plus minus 1 upon square root of 2. Now next is second part. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equals to pi by 4. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y, 1 minus x into y. If xy is less than 1, that is 6, x square is less than 1, x square is less than 1 by 6. So tan inverse 5x, 1 minus 6x square, pi by 4 is the value of tan 1. Now we get 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equals to 1. If x square is less than 1 by 6, that is minus 1 upon root 6 x. So cross multiply 1 minus 6x square. So 6x square minus 1 plus 5x is equal to 0. Factorize it. On multiplication we want negative 6. Take 6x common, x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So we get factors as x plus 1, 6x minus 1. So x is minus 1 or 1 by 6. But we have the term lie between minus 1 by root 6 to 1 by root 6. Therefore, x is 1 by 6. Next is third part. Tan inverse x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus tan inverse 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1 is equals to tan inverse 23 upon 36. Again apply the same formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y, 1 minus x into y. If xy is less than 1, x minus 1, 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is less than 1. Now what we get by taking LCM? X plus 1, 2x plus 1, x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 x plus 1 minus x minus 1 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1 2x plus 1. Now solve the brackets. 2x square plus x minus 2x minus 1 plus 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1. 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. 2x square minus x minus 2x minus minus plus 1. So what we get here? 2x will get cancelled. Plus x minus x. So tan inverse 2x square, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2x square will get cancelled. 2x plus 2x plus x and 1 will get cancelled. So we get this term here. So we get tan inverse, take 2 common, 2x square minus 1, 4 plus 2 is 6x is equals to tan inverse 23 by 36. Now we get 2x square 3x is equals to 23 by 36. Cross multiplication. 24x square minus 12 is equals to 23x. Minus 23x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we can write it as plus 9x minus 32x. From this take 8 common, 8 into 3, 8 into 4 plus 3 common. So we get the factors as 8x plus 3, 3x minus 4. So x is minus 3 by 8 or 4 by 3. Now we have the condition this, that is 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1 is less than 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1, or we can write it as x minus 1, 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1, 2x plus 1 minus 1 is less than 0. So we get it as x, open this bracket, 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1, 2x square plus x plus 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1, 2x plus 1 less than 0. That is 2x square will get cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x. So minus 6x, x plus 1, 2x plus 1 less than 0. That is x upon x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is greater than 0. If we remove negative from here, then the sign will change. That is x lies between minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 union 0 to infinity. So we get x as 4 by 3. Now the next part. Cos of x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec of x. Tan inverse 2 cosec of x. 2 tan inverse x is equals to 2 tan x. 2 tan inverse x is equals to, we know that 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan 2x upon 1 minus x square. यही फॉर्मूला होता है. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. If it is equals to theta, then tan theta is this. Now we want the value of cos. So theta tan is p upon b. So hypotenuse is perpendicular square plus base square a square plus b square minus 2ab. x4 plus 1 plus 2x square, that is x square plus 1 whole square. So cos is base upon hypotenuse. So instead of cos of x, we can write it as, first write it as tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Here also we have tan inverse. Tan inverse will get cancelled. 1 minus cos square is sine. 2 cosec is 1 upon sine. 2 will get cancelled. Sin x cos x is equals to sine square x. From here we get cos x is equals to sin x. So 1 is equals to sin upon cos, that is tan. Tan x is equals to 1. So we get x as tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. Now the next one. Solve the following equations. Sin inverse 3x by 5 plus sin inverse 4x by 5 is equals to sin inverse x. Use the formula here. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equals to sin inverse x 1 minus y square. 4 square is 16, x square by 25 minus y into 1 minus x square is equals to sin inverse x. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Sin inverse x into square root of 1 minus y square plus y into square root of 1 minus x square. So we get 3x by 5, 25 minus 16x square. Square root of 25 is 5 plus 4x by 5 upon 5 is equals to x. 5 into 5 is 25. Take x common. So 3 into plus 4 into is equals to 25x. So if we take here, then we get this term. So x into 3, 25 minus 16x square, 4 square root of 25 minus 9 square, 0. So either x is 0 or this term is equals to 0. 3, 25 minus 6x square, 4, 25 minus 9 minus 25 is equals to 0. We can write it as is equals to 25 minus 3. Now squaring both sides. 4 square, 25 minus 9 square, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square, 9 into 25 minus 16x square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 3, 6 and 25 into 6. 150 into square root of 25 minus 16 x square. Open the brackets. 25 into 16. 400 minus 144 x square. 625. 225 minus 144 x square minus 150. 25 minus 16 x square. From here what we get, this term will get cancelled. 625 plus 225. 850 when this goes on left hand side. 850. 400 minus 850 minus 150. We get this term. Negative will get cancelled. 3 is equals to square root of this. Now again squaring both sides. 3 square, 25 minus 16 square. 9 minus 25. So we get x square is equals to 1 and x as plus minus 1. 0 plus minus 1. Note it down. Now the next one is second part. Write down the statement of second part. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Now we can write it as sin inverse 1 minus x pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. 1 minus x sin inverse sin of 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos of theta. We know that 2 sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square. यही होता है हमारे पास. If we take sin inverse x as theta, then x is sin theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now sin theta is x perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse minus base square sin theta is x. Cos theta is 1 minus sin square theta square root. So 1 minus x square. So 2 sin inverse x. If we multiply this by 2, so 2 sin inverse x is 2 theta. Clear? So 2 theta. Angle is 2 theta. So sin 2 theta is this. Therefore 2 sin inverse x is sin inverse 2x. Sin inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Now outside the bracket we have term cos. So we want the term of cos here. So to find the value of cos, let this is equal to theta. So we get sin theta as 2x 1 minus x square. Sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Base is hypotenuse square minus base square. So we get 1 minus 4x square minus minus plus 4x 4. So we can write it as 2x square minus 1 whole square 4x 4 plus 1 minus 4x square. So this is base is 2x square minus 1. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So we get theta as cos inverse 2x square minus 1. So put the value here, cos of cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Cos and cos inverse will get cancelled. We can write it as 1 minus 2x square also. So 1 minus x is 1 minus 2x square. So 2x square minus x, take x common, 2x minus 1. So x is 0 and 1 by 2. Now we have given this is equal to pi by 2. Now when x is equals to 1 by 2. So sin inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse minus theta is minus sin theta minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So what we get? X is equals to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. So we get it as minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 pi by 6. But right hand side is equals to pi by 2. Therefore x is not equals to 1 by 2. So only root is x is equals to 0. When next we put x as 0, sin 1 is pi by 2, sin 0 is 0. So that is equals to right hand side. next part. Sine of 2 cos inverse cot of 2 tan inverse x equals to 0. Apply the formula for 2 tan inverse x here. 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. Tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. If we write it in the term of cot, so we can write it as sine 2 cos inverse cot. Cot inverse 1 minus x square upon 2x. Sine 2 cos inverse. Cot and cot inverse will get cancelled. 1 minus x square upon 2x. And 2 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. If cos inverse is this, cos is base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular is hypotenuse square minus base square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So we get it as 4x square common, x square minus 1. 2x square root of x square minus 1. So sin theta is base perpendicular upon hypotenuse or we can say that